unlike that big storm just a few weeks ago, which didn't produce anything in the way of wind or coastal flooding, this nor'easter will. WBZ's Logan Hall continues our team coverage. He is live for us in Scituate tonight. Logan?
Yeah, Ken, that's right. Good evening. We are just along that coastline, one of the areas that will be impacted by that coastal flood warning that is going to be in effect on Monday. Now, you mentioned that wind that is going to be a big factor here. That's something that folks that we have talked to in this community are very worried about as we show you some images of what this harbor looks like. They're worried that that wind is going to impact their stores, their shops here along this main street and in the harbor. Now, we've seen over the course of the last day here in Scituate, rain, sleet, snow, the whole gambit. Of course, just a taste of what we are expecting to see come Monday. And residents here are doing everything that they can to prepare for this major storm. We were at a hardware store talking to folks who were prepping and getting ready. They say that this is nothing new for them, but they were getting those last minute items, bags of salt, ice melt, of course, some of those shovels, and getting ready to gear up for this storm. It's another major one. Folks here definitely are not excited about it, but we'll be here to document every second of it. Reporting live in Scituate, I'm Logan Hall, WBZ News.